Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. I thought I set up a special promotion kit on our website. Now, we will have 20 of these available, just 20. It's a special promotion limited kit, and we're going to add something pretty extra with this kit. Now, keep in mind you have a free color option of whether you want the Nano Black, the Platinum Slate, or if you want the Nano Silver. Free color option when it comes with these is 2-quart containers. Nano, as we always say, is only sold in 2-quart containers. We do 1 gallons, but 1 gallons are basically for contract distributors only, and sometimes for some companies will do 1 gallons. All right, now, also too with your kit, you get a Wagner 150 paint sprayer. Got a little dent there. But a Wagner 150 paint sprayer. I like this paint sprayer because there's not a lot of dials all over it. Very easy to use, very easy to spray and apply this to your any kind of surface you want to paint this on. Keep in mind, you can paint this on pretty much anything you want. So if there's no priming, no sanding. Well, I guess if you have some minor rough areas, you can do a little sanding. It's up to you, but no priming. It's all in one system right here. Now, I thought, what could I add in here to sweeten the pot for you guys? And I'm going to be adding in Chromecast. Yes, Chromecast is going to come with this kit. Now, like I said, you got free color option, Wagner 150 paint sprayer, and I clean my dishes in the back there. And it's going to come with the Chromecast. This one I already opened up already. So, box comes with all the instructions. You can stream from your cell phone, your tablet, your computer, whatever you want. I've actually streamed from my PS4 a few times. And this is all the cool stuff you get to stream from. And here it is right here, what it looks like. So this is what you'll be getting in your kit. And like I said, 20 will be available on the website. The price for the kit will be going for around $392. All right, so let's swing over here to the projector, which I already have another one set up. I bought quite a few of these yesterday. I think I bought 4 or 5 of them. And here it is right here. Excuse my squeaky floor. But there it is in the back of my projector, already set up. Very easy to do. Setup is very easy. And you can do it right on your cell phone. I had the app loaded up on my cell phone. Let me go back here a minute so I can show you. There we go. So there's the app right there. Load it up on your cell phone. Right there. And we'll come over here, back into our YouTube. Alright, and I have it already set up over here on this is a platinum platinum slate, my bad. A platinum slate. This is my 170-inch 235.1 screen. Alright, so let's begin. Keep in mind, I can use my screen in a fully lit environment. This is the Nano technology. It uses smart technology gain times 10. Sorry about that. And it also has color enhancement technology. Now, my projector is a short throw ViewSonic at 720p, about 3200 lumens. And for those of you that are curious to see it with the lights out, now keep in mind my projector is still set in the factory default settings. It's never been calibrated and no form of 4K upscaling required. It's amazing, doesn't it? All right, I'd like to thank you all for your time. I'm Kenneth Burke from Crystal Wave Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. The special promotion packages will be available on our website tomorrow. Thank you all.